Are you struggling to pay your bills or heat your home? A new UK product called Hiata may offer a solution. Hiata installs a water heating server unit next to your existing hot water cylinder and provides up to 8 kWh of free hot water a day for an entire year. The server is used for cloud computing and scoops up waste heat, potentially saving you up to £200 a year in electricity bills. However, the offer has some caveats. Hiata has links to British Gas, and customers must give their router access to the server, which potentially leaves it vulnerable to attack from persistent threat actors. Customers must also trust the company when it claims it will only use up a fraction of their bandwidth. Plus, for now, the trial is restricted to customers in southeast England, leaving much of the country without a way to reduce their costs. So is the Hiata offer a Faustian bargain or a genuine helping hand? On this week's Tech Radar Pro YouTube channel, we explore the pros and cons of Hiata and consider the wider implications of companies targeting economic support towards the poorest in society. Plus, we'll look at other ways in which you can manage your money better, so make sure you don't miss it. Subscribe now for all the latest news, opinion, features and guidance your business needs to succeed.